Hello, it's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. I am so excited to share with you our May 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. I love the first of the month when I get to share with you what we've been cooking up behind the scenes. And this month, our kit is themed Butterfly Kisses. I love butterflies. I always have. There's just something about them. So this kit is butterfly themed, and we have a beautiful, you could get a hint of what's inside, this beautiful butterfly on our postcard that has flowers for wings. And I always encourage you to use the postcard creatively. Make a card with it or something. I don't want you just to throw it away. But it also gives you information of what's in your kit. So we've got everything that's inside. We have a bonus this month. Isn't that exciting? Every now and then we like to throw you a little something extra in there just to show our appreciation. And down here we talk about our Crafty Courtyard Facebook group. That's where you can share all the fun cards and creations that you make and be inspired by others as well. Let's start with our cardstock. Oh my, and do you see that gorgeous green glitter sheet on top? You get a full 8.5 by 11 green glitter sheet. And we've got 5 other colors of cardstock. This one in the middle here is very, very light gray. So it's really nice. It's almost white, but it's really light gray. And then you get 2 sheets of our 110-pound ice rink white cardstock, which is perfect for your card bases. Nice and sturdy. On the postcard, it does say 6 colored cardstocks. So just know that I'm including this glitter sheet as one of those 6 colored cardstocks, but it's really more like a little extra. Each and every month, we give you a nice 8.5 by 11 zippered mesh bag, and these are perfect little project bags. Keep all your kit contents together. Let's jump right into the goodies. You're going to receive little 1-inch flare button. It's got the little butterfly on it. It's really cute. We just include that as a little something you can collect or use on your projects. We have an exclusive sequin mix, and this one is gorgeous. I know I say that every month, but oh my goodness. And that's one of my favorite things, I think I've said this before, is picking out the sequins. And this one has beautiful teals, blues, purples, little lime green in there, and lots of silver. There's some little butterflies, there's flowers. This is a really fun sequin mix. We have glitter enamel dots in all of the colors of the kit. They perfectly coordinate and match, and they are super sparkly, and they're the perfect finishing touch for your cards. So we have a little bonus this month. These are 2 wax pencils, and what you can do with these are perfect for picking up sequins and small gems or rhinestones to put on your cards. It's really easy to pick it up off the table, and I'll show you that in my card making video. You get a full 6 by 6 paper pack. So we've got 24 sheets, they're double-sided, and there's 24 patterns. So you're gonna get 2 of each pattern because they're double-sided. Let's quickly go through the beautiful pattern papers in this pack. Here we have those beautiful butterflies. We have this kind of ombre, almost watercolor type effect. It's really pretty. Look at this background. Here's that watercolor ombre look in a light teal. We've got some butterflies on like a burlap background. It's an ombre look in the pink. We have a nice stripe. We have that watercolor in purple. We have some dotted stripes. Here's a really pretty blue watercolor. Oh, look at these white butterflies against that teal washed wood. That is a really fun sheet. Here's just the white burlap look. We've got some pink polka dots, some gray stripes. Here's some mini butterflies. Ooh, look at this one, nice green one. Here's some teeny tiny little butterflies on teal. It's another pretty blue one. And more butterflies. And another really fun, like watercolored background. We've done all the work for you. You don't have to pull out all the paints. You can just use this beautiful background as you like. And a blue polka dot. We're gonna give you a 6x6 stencil, and I'm putting it against the polka dot paper so you can see it a little easier. It's full of butterflies, and that's gonna make a really fun background. You're gonna get a 6x6 embossing folder. So this one's really fun. It's like rays going out, and I can't wait to create with that. And last but certainly not least is our stamp and coordinating die. So our stamp set, you see that big, bold, beautiful butterfly with flowers on one side for its wings. It's just gorgeous. It'd be really pretty just embossed. You can do some different techniques with it. You don't necessarily have to color it in, but if you do color it, it's super simple because it's nice and bold, and you just add some color in these spots and you'll get a beautiful butterfly. We've got some really nice sentiments to go along with it. Be the change you want to see in the world. Without change, there would be no butterflies. You've got this. Butterfly kisses and best wishes. I believe in you. Dream big. Spread your wings. I cannot wait to see you soar. So just some really nice, encouraging sentiments, as well as some that you can use anytime for all occasions. Our dies, you're gonna get the coordinating butterfly die, but that's not all. We're gonna give you some word dies that have shadow feature behind them. So it says sweet friend. So you can use it with or without that shadow. You can just have the words, or you could put that shadow behind the words as well. So I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at our May 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. We are almost completely sold out of these, so you want to head over to pinkandmane.com and grab yours while you can. I want to thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep living the creative life.